first real 360 hi-fi Bluetooth speaker, born with the desire to bring your favorite artist to your space. We've designed and patented a unique three-way radio system that features high-quality speakers. It supports lossless audio, providing unmatched sound for everyone, no matter where you stand. Made with 70% recycled materials, our speaker is sleek and cable-free. It's simple to use, just a twist of the volume knob to turn it on and off. It also comes with the home base, a multifunctional dock that can wirelessly transmit multiple audio sources to your speaker and charge after 21 hours of battery life. A MagSafe wireless charger is stationed at the top of the speaker so you can charge additional devices on the go. And for those who love to tweak their sound, our speaker also comes with an app where you can set presets and sync multiple Ferros at the same time. Experience music the way artists intended. Every beat on point, every note perfectly clear.